Alright, welcome back. So, I've set up my circuit, and here it is. Here it is. I've set my circuit up. My breadboard is ready to roll. I've got positive power on this rail. I've got hold on. Do you see that? This is the positive side. Let's put it in the positive side. This is the negative side. Let's put that in the negative side. Okay, now it's set up properly. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to light up the same LED, if I can find it. Just put the darn thing down. Here we are. Same LED. We're going to light this puppy up. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the negative side of the LED into the negative hole of the breadboard. Doesn't matter which hole, it's all the same. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a resistor. So this resistor has a yellow band, a black band or brown, can't really see in the camera, red, and gold. These bands are part of a system that allows you to figure out what the resistance is, the ohms in the resistor. So, unlike this circuit, where the electricity just flows around in a circle, if you put this in the way, instead of the power going all the way around, it's gonna take some time to get through here. So it's gonna slow down the amount of electricity that's flowing through. So let's put this, and the resistor is not polarized, whereas this is polarized. You have a positive side and you have a negative side, and that must be true. This resistor, on the other hand, has one side and another side. There's no positive or negative for this. So, but we're going to put this in the positive side because we need to complete the circuit in order. So we're going to put this in the positive side because our LED needs a positive electricity flow. So this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, and this side of the resistor is positive too, and this side of the LED is positive. Now this is negative on this side here, going to the negative terminal through the jumper of the battery. So why is it's not turning on? This thing isn't turning on. Why is it not turning on? Can anybody tell me why this is not turning on? Look, it should be on, right? It's in the same column all the way across. There's a big gap in the middle there. Look at that. That means there's nothing getting by that thing. So it needs to jump over. So if we help it jump over with a jumper, and we jump that electricity over from one column, from one set of columns, from one set of holes to the other set of holes. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Look at that. The LED's on. It's not as bright though. No, look at that. Watch this. Resistor. And then we're going to move this over, connect it to the positive side. Ah, look at that. Super bright. Super, super bright. So that's without a resistor. And this is with a resistor. Not too bright. But it's on. You can see it. Now what happens if we put a different resistor in? Well, I happen to have a different resistor right here. So let's just see. Let's see what happens. So we have this blue resistor. Now the color on the blue versus the brown doesn't really matter at this point, but this resistor still has color codes in the form of bands across there. And let's put this in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a little bit brighter. So this resistor must be resisting less. It must be allowing more electricity through in order for that LED to be brighter. So this resistor was stronger than this resistor. So that's a resistor. Let's go to the next slide and talk about something else.